All right, let's do another example and find some more golden prospects. This one took me a bit of time, and then I realized that I was being silly, and I was able to find some golden prospects for Jen. Jen, this is for you. You wanted to find microwave engineers and how to find golden prospects, uh, shepherds of microwave engineers. All right, so first of all, what I did was I just Googled it. And I didn't even know there was a microwave engineers. It makes sense that there are, but you never know what you don't know until you learn something new, right? All right, so what I'm going to do is quite simple. I'm going to look for a society or an association. I'm not sure which. Society. Okay. Here's some that come up. MTT.org. It's a journal of electromagnetics. I'm sure that they have all kinds of microwave engineers checking them out. Also, this one here, the ARMS, RF and Microwave Society, microwaves101.com, IEEE.org. That's one of the bigger ones. And I think you mentioned that to me in the call too. All right, so let me show you a little secret here too. Another way that you can do it. And let me pull this up. So let's try a related search of this site here. Let's see what comes up. All right, so we see the Computer Science Teachers Association. Oh, come on, Google, you can do better than that. The Community for Technology Leaders, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Some of those seem, I don't know. You'll have to go through and check to see if any of these are could be golden prospects for you. But another thing you could do too, remember this was just one of the sites. What if you go and check out MTT.org, the Microwave Theory and Technique Society? What if you check their site out? Do a related search on that. Well, there's a IEEE. Looks like they got some other types of sites too. All subdomains. Microwave Journal. There you go. Your global connection to the biomedical engineering community. What I would do is I would go through every one of these and grab every one of these URLs that are your golden prospects, and you'll have to go through each one of them. Then go up here and do related searches for each of those. And then go through all those results and grab all those sites that are relevant that you'd want to go after and consider golden prospects. So that's what I would do. I would look for societies and then do related sites. Sorry it took so long to get that done and get it to you, Jen. Let me know if that's of any help to you. If not, I'll see what else I can do for you. So there you go.